Hello, welcome to another video from me, Mr. Morrison. In today's video, we're going to look at creating a name badge with the microbit. So we investigate the text features of MakeCode and how to load these onto the microbit. And you'll notice it says my name and it's going to repeat my name unless I press a button when it'll say likes. On this side, it's going to say likes music and give us a little emoji as well. And on the other side, it's going to say something else, but we have to wait. Once it starts giving a sentence, you have to wait until that finishes before we've pressed this button, whatever is going to appear. So it's now saying likes and pasta. Okay, so let's get coding. So to create our name badge, I'm not going to need the onStart, so I can drag that into the middle into the bin, but I will need forever. I'm going to go in and I'm going to choose a clear screen in Basic, and that just means that we make sure that nothing's going to be on the screen before we display our name. Then in Basic, I'm going to go into Show String. A string is just a sentence or a word in coding. So at the moment it's saying hello. I'm going to change that to say my name, which is Mr. Morrison. So this will now display on the screen like this. Now you can go straight away and download this piece of code onto your microbit, or you can add some extra things to this. So I'm going to add an input on button A pressed, and I'm going to go into Basic, and again I'm going to choose a clear screen. So now when button A pressed, we're going to clear the screen, and then we're going to have a show a string. We're going to show string, and I'm going to say likes pasta. So show string likes pasta. Then down here, I'm going to have a show icon. Let's have a nice smiley face. So I've changed the icon to be a smiley face. Finally, I'm going to scroll down one more time and go to pause. I'm going to change the pause to 1 second. So now, when I press button A, it'll finish the instruction it's on, which is the show string. Then it'll jump onto this set of instructions. There we go. Likes pasta. So I'm going to repeat the steps I've just done for button B. So I've gone into input, choose button B rather than button A using the little arrow. Then I'm going to go into basics and clear screen, basic, show string. Let's go for this one, could be likes music. Then I'm going to go into basic again, and I am going to find my icon. There is a musical note in the icon, so I'll use that. And then finally, I'm going to put in pause. Change pause to 1,000 seconds. So here I have my project. Here, download this onto the microbit, see if it works, and I hope to speak to you in another video very soon.